Always Local Heating and Air Conditioning is a proud sponsor of this year's Booda Halloween festivities. We are grateful to be a part of the Hays County community, even if our neighbors may seem a little scary. As a local business, we understand the unique needs and challenges faced by our fellow residents when it comes to HVAC services. To learn more about Always Local Heating and Air Conditioning or to schedule an appointment, visit alwayslocalac.com or call 512-361-0003. That's alwayslocalac.com or call 512-361-0003. Hablamos español.